So what I'll do is I'll cut up here and across, and I'll go across the bottom there, same there, up there, just take those two sheets off. So I'll wet the sponge a tad. It'll cut down the dust. Turn a bit of power on. Don't stand on the cords for so. Oh, come up a bit. Across there. That's where you need knee pads. Close the door. Off the cord. Off the top. I'll go around then. Full on strip out, people. Okay, we'll just move out, let the dust settle a little, and I'll be oh, I've got to cut around there. Cut around those pipes. I might just do it with a hammer. Unless I'm careful. I've got to be careful because I don't want to cut the pipe. So don't go too deep. That'll do it. Okay, I'll just move out, let the dust settle a bit. See you soon.